What's good, YouTube? It's lorShift back at it again with another banger video, of course. And as you can see by the title, today we're gonna be pushing my big 5.7, my Dodge Charger RT, to its limits. So this will be like another POV drive. You already know the drill. Sit back, grab a snack, and relax. Watch the POV. I'm gonna try to turn y'all up in this video, of course, like I do in every other video. Smash that like button, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And we're gonna get straight to it with this POV. So stay tuned until the end, man. You already know what to do. Yeah, I apologize if my voice sounds a little bad right now. Because I still am kind of like sick, or congested. Still gonna turn y'all up, man. That's not gonna stop me from dropping this early. So, well, actually, it's been like almost a week since I dropped, so because I've been sick, but it's cool, man. This might be an unedited video as well. Like I might just drop this joint without editing and stuff like that. I might edit the intro and the ending, but other than that, we're just gonna drop it. I do got 85 miles left, so I'm not gonna go too crazy for too long, but I'm gonna go crazy. Track mode, of course, traction off. You already know the drill. There we go. And last but not least, safety first, y'all. Seatbelts on. My airbag light is on, if you're wondering. That's because of my Z Automotive taser. I don't know why it does that. So if you're watching this right now and yours is doing the same thing, I don't know why it's doing that. Let's get it, y'all. This will be some highway action and some like back road action, I guess you could say. Damn, I know he just got a ticket behind me. And also, like I say in most of my recent POV drives, I won't be doing a lot of talking. I'm gonna kind of let the engine speak for itself. But yeah. Yeah, let's get it, y'all. Let's get off right here at this exit. Why is it whining, bro? What the hell? I'm gonna try not to stop at a lot of red lights this video too, because it kind of takes up a lot of time. But looking good so far. Bust is right. Give it a little pull. I'm liking how she's sounding right now, y'all. Alright, bro. I'm not dealing with traffic this video, bro. I'm gonna have to turn. We gonna have to turn or something, bro. I'm not dealing with this. Hell no. Oh my God, what the fuck? Once again, guys, I apologize if I ain't been dropping lately. I'm sick. Well, I was like really sick, and then like it's been getting dark at like 2 o'clock now, so like nighttime quality, you already know, man. That shit is. That shit is terrible. Try to bust it right. Hopefully I can. These people are waiting. I need a new motor mount, bro. I can feel my motor like lifting, bro. The light's green, brody. Oh, they trying to get behind me. I was about to say, you sleep at the light? My God, bro. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Drawing, bro. What the fuck? Dog, this shit is loud. This is a loud ass car, bro. For a 5.7, this shit loud, bro. This shit is loud. I ain't even going cap. I probably should have made a right, but oh well. I need some highway action, bro, so I can really push it to its limits. I'm obviously not gonna hit top speed this video, sadly, because, you know, 12 is watching my vids and stuff, so I can't really just go top speed in my car. Apparently they can get you for that, so I'm not dealing with that. I ain't gonna lie. But we gonna draw, man. We gonna do what y'all would do if y'all own this car. Go crazy, I will hope. I will hope, man. I will hope. Here we go, a little pool right here. Of course, we got a stop sign. Of course, we got a stop sign. This shit be moving, bro. Oh, look at old head. He was mad as hell. Why was he looking like that, bro? We're gonna bust a left right here. Trying to get like a nice little back road, bro, we can get to. But I don't know, I guess that'll be straight. And there's a lot of lights, bro. It's just, if I gotta extend the video, you already know Lord Bender will. If Lord Bender gotta extend the video, I will. Come on, bro. Got them boys. We got them boys. Oh man. That's crazy. That's where I got my car from. If I took this car back to the dealer, bro, right now, he'd be like, bro, what have you done to this shit, bro? Like, why is it a scat pack now? Like, I sold this to you as a basic, base model looking basic RT. Like, why does it look like that? Why does it sound like that now? What did you do, bro? Did you take this to Philly and bring it back? What the hell? I said, I'll tell him I took this motherfucker right to Philly, brought it back. Man, this shit not a RT no more. Why is it no turn on red, bro? That's ass. Not gonna lie, y'all. but it's a straight road ahead, so it shouldn't be too bad. Hopefully the quality good and the setup. I need to get like, I think I'm gonna buy like a mount and have my phone mounted up right here or something for my POV drives. I should have been done that, I ain't gonna lie. Here we go. Got us a green light. Got us a little green light. Bro, this joint take off, bro. This shit take off. Yo, let me know if y'all want me to do another POV drive in KMH. Because when I was in the market for this car, I love seeing this car like in KMH. It makes it seem way faster, bro. Y'all see what I'm talking about in just a second, bro. Like, it makes it feel like a Hellcat. Like, I don't know, bro. It just feels better. Like, I know it, to some people, y'all gonna say, oh, it's pump faking, that's pump faking. But, I mean, it's not miles per hour. I'm not saying it's miles per hour. It's KMH. See? Now, look, y'all. And, of course, when that light turned green and I wanted to show y'all what I wanted to show y'all, my camera died. So, I just threw it back on the charger, and now I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. So, we're in KMH. Feel me? Watch this. Like, it's literally a Hellcat. Like, it's a baby Hellcat at that point. Like, you know, once again, I know it's not miles per hour. It ain't miles per hour. It's KMH. Whatever the hell, kilometers, whatever the hell that means. But, yeah. Give y'all a couple more pulls, man. As you remember, we started off at like 80 miles. We're at 66 now, which ain't too bad. But once the car cools down and stuff, it's gonna be lower than what it is, or than what it displays. Is gonna be lower than 66. I can't even talk, bro. I'm sick, bro. That shit popping me. Not even gonna lie to y'all. I do got more banger videos dropping soon. I'm gonna give y'all a Hellcat POV drive coming this month, featuring SRT Nick. We was been supposed to do this shit, but he been bullshitting. We're finally gonna do it this month, hopefully. I'm gonna do RT Charger versus RT Chrysler. I'm gonna do Charger versus Challenger, Charger versus Durango, all that, bro. I got a lot in store, bro. I just gotta make the vids and get the people. Damn, this nigga on my ass. If I would've known he was on my ass, I would've. Damn, bro. I wish I would've known he was on my ass. I should've hawked his ass down, dog. Oh my God, I should've hawked his ass down, bro. I hate when people get on my ass, bro. Y'all don't understand how that make me feel, bro. That pisses me off. But we gonna give y'all a pull. Let's see if I can hurry up and get to the 0 to 60. Nah, I don't even got enough tire tread. I don't even want to do that, bro. Cause I'm gonna end up spinning out into this bull. Damn, bro. I wish I would have known he was on my ass. I would have brake checked him, dog. Like, these trucks be thinking they big dog and shit. They gonna move me out the way. Neck, bro. I wish I would have known. Is that a McLaren, bro? What the? Bro, I know y'all see that, bro. Hold on, bro. Bro, what the hell is that, bro? Ew, that shit is mean, bro. What the fuck? We are back in miles per hour now. My brakes are screaming for life right now. We did kind of go crazy, I ain't gonna lie. We was hitting this pedal. We was definitely stomping on this pedal, man. We didn't drive turkey this POV. I never been back here. Let me go back here. I wonder what this is. Hold on, cuz. Oh, this is nice, bro. Like, it's a little gym and stuff back here. That's what's up. Parking and shit. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. We gonna bust a... Damn. I can't even really bust a left, I guess. Can I make a right? Yeah, I guess I can make a right. Ooh, got me a little spot back here. But alright, y'all, we gonna end this video, man. Make sure y'all smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Cause I did find me a little thumbnail spot, so that's what I'm gonna do. Take a thumbnail real quick. But once again, if y'all would like to see another POV drive of pushing my RT to its limits, let me know in the comment section below. And I promise y'all I'm gonna be dropping bangers back to back to back to back. Like, it's a new year, I got to, man. So I got no other choice. But once I'm, you know, 100% not sick, you feel me? But yeah, we're gonna take our thumbnail. It's your boy Lord Bender. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. We out.